Want better mileage? Let's look at 8 sensors in your car that secretly control your fuel efficiency. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. At number 8, the oxygen sensor, found in your exhaust system. It tells the computer if your engine is running rich or lean. If it fails, your fuel economy can drop by up to 30%. At number 7, the engine coolant temperature sensor. It tells your car if the engine is cold or hot. If it fails, your car might dump too much fuel like it's in a cold start, bad for fuel and performance. At number 6, the mass airflow sensor. A dirty MAF sensor throws everything off and kills mileage. At number 5, the Manifold Absolute pressure sensor calculates engine load using vacuum pressure. At number 4, the knock sensor detects engine pinging or knocking. It helps the ECU adjust ignition timing to keep things smooth and efficient, especially if you're using lower-grade fuel. At number 3, your throttle position sensor tells the ECU how much you're stepping on the gas. At number 2, the intake air temperature sensor helps the engine adjust the air-fuel mix based on temperature. Hot air means less oxygen, so fuel needs are lower. Wrong readings mess this up. Finally, at number 1, the fuel pressure sensor. It ensures your engine gets just the right amount of fuel. If pressure is off, you're either starving the engine or wasting gas. All these sensors quietly work together to save you fuel. If one fails, your wallet feels it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Auto Tips.